Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So my recipe for you today is pancetta stir fry. And my ingredients are green beans, 1 carrot, 1 onion, smoked pancetta, and beans and tomato sauce. And I'm also going to use some sunflower oil. So let's get started. Now, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel and finely chop my onion. Then I'm going to dice my green beans into really small pieces. And then I'm going to peel my carrot and also grate it. So now my vegetables are all prepared, so I'm ready to start cooking. So over here I've just put my pan on medium heat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in a little bit of sunflower oil. Just give that a little mix around the pan. And so now I'm going to add in the onion. And I'm going to leave the onion to soften in the pan just for 3 minutes before I add in other vegetables. So after 3 minutes of frying, my next step is to add in the smoked pancetta. Give that a mix around. And then I'm also going to add in the green beans. So now I'm just going to leave that to cook for approximately 5 minutes before I add in the carrot and the beans. So now it's been cooking for 5 minutes, so you can see that my bacon pieces have started to change colour. It's become a lighter pink. So what I'm going to do next is go ahead and add in the grated carrot. Give it a mix around. And now I'm also going to add in the baked beans. So now I'm just going to put the heat down to a low heat, and I'm going to leave this to just simmer away for another 5 minutes. And so now we have delicious and healthy pancetta stir fry all cooked. All I have to do now is serve on my plate. So if you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching, everybody.